For today's workout, I'm doing a cardio fusion class using a long band with handles and a set of super light weights. Mine are about 3 pounds, but I would do anywhere between about 3 and maybe 5 pounds. All right, let's begin. Give me a nice big march. Remember, the whole time, keep the abs nice and tight, support that back, chest is lifted, shoulders pulled back as well. Good. We're gonna do a nice quick warm up, about maybe 5 minutes or so, and then we'll jump right into the routine. If you like, give me a deep breath, inhale with the arms, exhale out. Do it again, inhale, reach, and out. 2 more times, good, lift, and out. 1 more, breathe up, and out. March this out, march, nice and big. Okay, give yourself a little bit of space to move. Let's go, step touch, side to side. Strong arms, abs are tight. Use up as much space as you can, whatever you have to work with. You've got it, stay here for 4, 3, same legs, chest press arms. We want to get the upper body nice and warmed up. Lift, good, stay there for 8, 7, in 6. Here's 4, same legs, reach both arms overhead, lat pulls. Warming up the back, still warming up the shoulders. Excellent job, keep going, lift, squeeze. Good, 4, 3, change it, tricep kickbacks. Press out. Elbows nice and tight to the body. Good. Now keep the arms, changing those legs. Hamstring curls. Step, curl, curl. Add that little half squat in between. Make sure the heels are down. Press for 8. Yes. Stay here. Ready? Small change. Double it for 2. 2 on your right, 2 on your left. Again, 2. Good. 4 more like that. Take this 4. 3. In 2. Change again. Outer thighs, abductor lifts. Press up, up. Take your time with these. Better form over speed. You're driving through that base heel on the ground. Extend the arms, extend the legs. Whew. In 4, 3. Inner thigh lifts. Step, go for the heel. Pull the legs up from the hip. Turn that foot in. Excellent job. Stay strong. You're almost there. Knee lifts, go. Step, knee pull. Knee comes all the way up to the chest. Think about reaching up, pulling down for 8. Whew. Here's 4, 3, double the knees for 2. 2 right, 2 left. Do it again, double up, double up. Last 4 doubles. Good, 4. In 3, there's 2. Tap the toe out wide, reach overhead. Single arm reach. Reach the arm in front. Perfect. Now across the body, press out. Back in front. Good. Hands on the hips, legs only. Now plant those feet, half squats down and up. Not going all the way. Good, squeeze the glutes on top. Excellent. 4 more. Here's 4, 3, there's 2. Pulse it, 8 counts, take it, 8, 7, 6. There's 4, 3, 2, hold this one down, hands on the quads, slow flat back, round all the way up. 1 more time, flat back, and round. All right, you're all warmed up. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to start with those light weights. So if you don't have light weights, you can also grab cans of soup, cans of beans, anything like that. Something that's easy to hold in your hands. Okay, so starting off, we're gonna have our guards up, elbows nice and tight. Give me a bob and weave. So the whole time when we do our cardio, we're also gonna be holding these weights. So it's gonna be a little bit more intense, but I know you've got this. If it gets to be too much, get rid of the weights. Alternate jabs. Step, jab, jab. Good. You see, I'm doing a little rotation with those arms. That's up to you. You can always keep it a straight fist like that if you want. Good. Make that bob and weave a little bit bigger. Come on, give me 8. Punch, 7, 6. Here's 4, 3, cross punch away from the body. Press, press. Nice. Stay there. 8 more. Take it 8. Looking good, looking good. 4, 3, punch in front, jabs. Good. We're not going to do anything too complicated since we have the weights in our hands. Cross punch here. So it's jabs and crosses. Yes. 4, 3, 4 jabs in front. Come on, go 4, 3, cross it, cross it. Boom. Back to jabs in front for 4. Awesome. Cross. Shortening again. 2 in front. 2 across. 2 in front. 2 across. Keep that pattern. Guess what? We're gonna hit this double time next. One more like this. Planting those feet double time. Jab, jab, cross, cross. Jab, jab, cross. Keep the abs tight and engage the core. Good. Work those obliques. Woo! Jab, jab, cross, cross, jab, jab, cross. Keep going, keep going. About 10 more seconds. You've got this. Nice. 4, 3, 2, and go ahead. Give me a light jump rope. Woo! Shake off those arms. Excellent job. Okay, march those feet. Take it out wide. Now plant those feet. Toes flare out a little bit. Plie squat. Sink nice and low. Guards up. Jabs, jabs. Now, isometric hold, lower body. Working the legs, we're gonna feel it. Still working the upper body here. Those shoulders, those arms. Stick with jabs. Come on, come on. You've got this. I know we're feeling it. In 5, we're gonna go double time. 4, 3, 2, 10 seconds, double time, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, carefully bring it up. Set the weights down, grab a quick drink of water. Okay, go ahead and set your weights down and grab your long band. The band that I'm using is a Spree medium-sized braided band. This band is awesome. It will not break on me and I feel like it's really durable. So take the band, handles in each hand, and go ahead and step with it so that the band is just under the arches of your feet and nice and secure. Okay, so level 1, you can keep your arms down for less resistance. Level 2, more resistance, bring the arms up. Soft bend in the knees, we're gonna do step touches. Ready, and begin. Side to side. So the bigger the move, the more work it's going to be and the more difficult it is. Keep a soft bend in the knees and make sure the heels touch the ground the entire time. If you don't have a band, don't worry. You can do this without a band and just do the same movement, keep it nice and low, and step side to side. Here's a side view. So you see my knees are soft, heels are down. Always keeping those abs tight, right? Okay, 10 more seconds, make it a little bit bigger. 10, 9, 8, 7, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Plant those feet, bring the band down, crisscross the handles. Now you're making a big X. From here, soft knees, abs tight, wide grip, reverse rows. Here we go. Wide grip rows, lift up. 1, 2, good. 3, we've got 15. 4, think about squeezing those shoulder blades together. 7, 8, you've got this. 9, come on, 5 more. Exhale, 5. And 3, elbows high. 2, and 1. Beautiful job. Back to step touches. Arms down or high. Here we go. Side to side. Let's get a second set of each. Woo. So this is a low impact but high intense move. Make it what it is. Like I said earlier, make the step a little bit bigger to work even more. Keep going. 10 more big seconds. Come on, a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger with those legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop. Good. Release the band. Make that X. Bend those knees, hinge forward from the hip, and let's go. Wide grip rows for 15. Good. There's 3. Elbows up. 4, 5. You've got this. 7. Really squeeze the back. Up. Over half. Last 5. Finish strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release the band, grab a quick drink, go back and grab your weight. Okay, we're back to our weights. Now, coming up, let's go ahead and hit jumping jacks. Starting off, let's do a nice march. Weights in each hand. Remember, these are optional. If you're not feeling it, put those weights down. In 4, 3, jacks or heel jacks. So heel jacks, I'm gonna do side raises with heel touches. I know it seems a little bit quick, and that's why we have lighter weights. Want to bring this up a notch? Full jacks, side, side. Good. Whew. Keep it up, keep it up. Soft knees, heels down. Awesome. Stay there, stay there. I'm gonna change the arms in 3, 2, keep the jacks, shoulder presses. Press up, lift. Good. Low version for this, keep going, would be that heel jack, same arms. Or you can even do one arm at a time, right? Modify how you need to. Whew. 10 more seconds. 8, 7, good, 6. In 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Whew, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see a little bit. From here, I'm gonna get in a stationary lunge position. Arms are up, lunge, jab, lunge, jab, same arm. 8, 7, 6, press to the heel. 4, 3, 2, 1, switch. Other side. There we go, whoops. Lunge, and now punch it. 9, 8, 7, keep the other arm up. 6, got this. Almost there. I'm with you in 3, 2, 1. Good. Jumping jacks, how you like. Lower, high. Lower, high. Remember, there's your low version. Whew. Stay there, stay here. Good. Same legs. Narrow grip shoulder presses. Up, up. We're almost there. Whew. Keep it up, last 10. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and stop. Whew. Grab a drink. Back to the band. Okay, bands in the hands. From here, handle in each, wrap around, get a little bit closer grip for more resistance. Full body, we're gonna bring the band up. We're gonna do a single arm lat pull down, side lunge, bring it back up. Alternating sides every time. Ready? Let's go. Down, press up. For 2, we got 20. 3, opposite arm staying stable. Keeping a good pace to keep the heart rate up. 6, nice. Keep that chest lifted. Awesome. Halfway, 10 more, go. 10, nice big step. Great work. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Take the band right behind you. Easiest way to do it, handle in each, then wrap and wrap, get some resistance, do 1, make sure it feels good. Squats and chest presses. Here we go, press out, pull back, press out, pull back. If it doesn't feel heavy enough, grab a little bit tighter with the bands, right? Press. If you don't have bands, keep holding onto those weights and doing the same motion. Woo. We're not gonna get too much more, but listen for the end and have a fun twist to finish up this set. In 6, 5, 4, listen for the end. 2 more. Hold this down, isometric hold legs, crisscross the arms for 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep crisscrossing, pulse the legs up and down. 9, 8, 7, 6, you've got this. 4, 3, 2, and slowly come up. Woo, very nice. Band down, quick drink, back to the weights. Okay, I'm gonna finish up this workout with just upper body. Upper body, big burnout. Okay, I'm gonna finish up this workout with an upper body burnout. I'm gonna turn a little bit to the angle so you can see. Starting off, palms in, bicep curls, up and down, up and down. Good, elbows are tight, knees are soft. Whew. Again, light weights, I'm keeping up a pretty good pace. 6, now start to move these buys a little bit higher till your upper arm's 90 degrees. Good, up, out. 3, 2, from here, hold it 90 degrees, up an inch, down an inch, up an inch, down an inch. Squeeze, tummy's tight, support the back. Good, 4, 3, there's 2, take this, full range of motion, up and down, a little quicker. Press up, down, elbows in, good. Palms still facing in, squeeze. If your light weights get heavy, do this with no weights. Whew. 5, 4, in 3, 2, hold this one up, triceps down and up, down, press up. Elbows as tight as you can to the head, squeeze, yes. Whew. Keep going. Here's that side view so you can see the arms. Palms are still facing in the whole time. In 4, 3, 2, shoulder press down and up. 4, press, 3, 2, hold it up, triceps go. 4, 3, cutting it down, 3 shoulders. 3, 2, good, 3 tries. You know it. 2 of each, go. 2, 2 tries. 2 presses, woo, 2 tries. 1 of each, press, try. 10, good, 9, I told you it'd be burn. 8, 7, almost there. Whew. 5, I know I'm feeling it. I'm with you. 3, come on. 2, this is it. And 1. Woo. Awesome work. Set those weights down. Let's cool you down a little bit. Stretch out. Big shoulder rolls back. And forward, up and around. Good. Open those arms. Give yourself a hug. Crisscross, alternating every time. You did so good today. And go ahead, hold one arm across. Little shoulder stretch. Good job. Whew, I know I got a little sweat. I hope you did too. Take that same arm overhead, tricep stretch, reaching for the center of your back. And release, other arm across shoulder, pulling the arm, not the elbow. And let's take that arm overhead. Good, release, open up that chest and lift the arms, raise that heart up. And release, round the back, dip the chin. Inhale, arms reach up all the way to the ceiling or sky. And let it down. Give yourselves a hand. You did so great today. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. I've had a lot of fun doing these with you, and I hope you have too. I look forward to seeing you next time.